Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, December 22nd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by just 1 point. Right now, the futures are sitting at 26.88 3/4 per contract. All in all, it is really just a flat open. The volume today is expected to be light as we go into the holiday weekend. Monday, the markets will be closed for observance of the Christmas holiday. So again, just be aware of that. But looking at today's action, we'll see what it gives us. We do have some stocks in the news, so let's get started here. Nike is the big one today. They reported earnings last night after the closing bell. The stock right now is trading at $62.15. It closed at $64.77, so it's trading down a little bit. I'm going to try to have some levels worked out for the intraday stock chat room, but right now we'll have to see if it can dip a little bit more, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. So Nike starting the day down a little bit. That could hurt other stocks like UAA, which is Under Armour. You could see that's also coming down a little bit. Sometimes that will hurt stocks like Foot Locker, which you could see is also trading down in sympathy. Finish Line's another one that reported earnings yesterday, could trickle down a little bit. So just be aware. Other stocks like Lululemon sometimes will get affected a little bit. Dick's Sporting Goods is another one you want to watch here. So there's a bunch of names that are in or can be affected by the Nike earnings. And again, I pretty much named them all right there. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look here at Celgene. Celgene today trading down a little bit. This is trading down at 101.95. Stock closed at 107.88. This is a major haircut for Celgene. It looks like they had a phase 3 trial that did not go as expected. And you know biotechs, when they come up with news, the news is can either move a stock in a big way to the upside or else a big way to the downside. In this case, it is to the downside. Let's take a look at WWE. It looks like the CEO sold, I believe, 3.34 million shares. Stock is getting hit pretty hard today. Closed at $31.87, now trading at $29.88. This was overbought anyway. It was also into a major double top going all the way back to around, I would say, March. So it looks like a good sale on his behalf. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. We'll see if we can find some levels. Right now, when I look at WWE, I have to think that it was just a very, very overbought condition. If this does get down to around $26.35, $26.30, I do think there is a play there. So keep that on the radar today, $26.35. There should be a very good level there for a bounce in the stock. Looking over here, Live Nation, LYV, was downgraded this morning. The stock right now is trading at $42.50. There's not a whole lot of volume there, but again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. Another one we want to take a look at is Cintas, CTAS. They reported earnings. Looks like the stock is trading higher. Closed at 159.65. It is now trading at 163 1/4. So pretty nice move for Cintas, and we'll see how that plays out. Right now, with it making new highs, I would suggest that if you own it, you trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. We have a lot of crypto stocks that are getting hammered today. So if anybody took a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's down about 16-17% at the moment. That is getting absolutely hammered. So again, if you have been trading Bitcoin, you probably will notice that it is down, and a lot of these cryptocurrency stocks, or cryptocurrency related stocks I should call it, are down as well. Yesterday you had a big surge in this Long Island iced tea. Now it's going to be called Long Island Blockchain. The stock went to 15, 16 bucks yesterday. Today it's down to $5. If you take a look here at LFIN, ticker LFIN, this is another one now trading at 39 bucks. This stock went, believe it or not, to $140 a few days ago. If you take a look at another one here, Blockchain Riot, or Riot Blockchain as it's called. Stock right now is trading at $24.40, closed at $27.60. Overstock, which is probably the most well-known, this is trading at $63, closed at $67.45 yesterday. So this is down a bit as well. And then you have this Net Element, NETE. This thing is trading at $14.40 just a couple days ago. I mean, it traded all the way up to $34. So pretty incredible when you think about it. These things are coming back down to earth in a big way. So again, hopefully you did not own those up there. If you're an In the Money Stocks member, I'm certain that you did not. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is up today by $1.60. Take a look at the GLD. You'll see that's trading at 120.39. Gold has had a pretty good week and a pretty good week last week as well. So it's rebound a little bit. Today's spot futures on gold are trading at 1272.20. So again, gold up just a touch. Crude oil today is down 32 cents to $58.04 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track crude oil, you'll see that's trading at $11.60, down from the close of $11.64. Again, spot crude this morning trading at $58.05. This is the final trading day before the Christmas holiday. Again, markets are flat across the board. Futures now just up 50 cents. So we'll see how this all shakes out today. Again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.